Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Discord stickers without Nitro. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To use these stickers, follow these steps. So the first step would be open Discord and navigate to the chat or server where you want to send a sticker. Then, click on the smiley face icon next to the message input box to open the emoji picker. In the emoji picker, you'll find the stickers tab. Browse through the available stickers and click on the one you want to send. And that's how to use Discord stickers without Nitro. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.